So technique for solving logarithm equation 7.4. Say you have a log k minus 8 equal to 2. Log k minus 8 equal to 2. How do we do that? So we turn it to the exponent. The base here, when you don't see any base here, the base is 10. So basically 10 to the power of 2 is equal to k minus 8. 100 is equal to k minus 8. Number to the other side, you keep k here and you put 8 to the other side, is going to be 100 plus 8. So the answer is 108. Here is another one, 9 equal to log 5x plus 100 plus 6. So you have to bring all number to one side. So 6 to the other side is 9 minus 6, which is 3. X plus 100. Now you turn in this one into the exponent. When you have number one side, log one side, you turn into exponent. So it's going to be 5 power 3 is x plus 3. So x plus 3, whatever is in front of the log, is the base of the log multiplied with the whatever is at the other side. Is 5 to the power of 3. 5 to the power of 3 is 125. X plus 100 is 125. Then you bring 100 to the other side. So it's 125 minus 100, which is 25. So in both cases, our answer should be in domain. So what you think, you can check it, right? 108, let's say you put it back here. 108 minus 8 is 100, so it's positive. So the answer is acceptable. If you get a negative number, you have to discard that answer. Now here is the answer is 25. You put 25 here, 20 plus 25 plus 100 is still positive. So it's good, you can accept that. So here is another question. Log n power 2 minus 3n plus 5 is equal to 2. So what you do, turn it into the exponent. Here is 3 to the power of 2 is equal to n2 minus 3n plus 5, as you see right here. So 3 power 2 is 9. So bring everything to one side. I bring 9 to the other side, so it becomes negative 9. 5 minus negative 9 is negative 4. So you have this quadratic equation. So you write it as a factor form. And you write in a factor form, so it's equal to 0, right? Each bracket equal to 0. N minus 4 equal to 0. N plus 1 equal to 0. So from that, n is equal to 4, and from this, n equals to negative 1. Now you have to check both of this to see if that's okay, if in front of a log is positive or negative. So I put 4. 4 power 2 is 16, minus 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, plus 5. So as you see, this is positive, so no worries about that. Now check negative 1. Negative 1 power 2 is 1. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 3 is plus 3. And plus 5. So it's positive as well. So there's no problem. So here is the typo. So both of this answer is acceptable because if you put it in front of the log, you get a positive value. Okay. So here is the other question. But the other question is here is log 2 x plus 5 minus log base 2x equal to 8. I can put this 2 log together as a 1 log. Between them is minus. So you use the quotient rule of logarithm. Between them is minus, means you have to write it as a division. The numerator is x plus 5. The denominator is 2x. So log the base is 2. Then you turn this one into the exponent. How? The base here is 2. 2 to the power of 8 equal to x plus 5, 2x. 2 power 8 is 256. The cross multiplication, 2x multiplied by 256 is 512x. And 1 multiplied by x plus 5 is 1x plus 5. So you bring x one side, so you bring this x here. So basically the coefficient is 1. 512 minus 1 is 511. So 511x, and the number is here. Divide both sides by 511. X equal to 5 over 511. Then you have to try. So you put x to be 5 over 511, so it's going to be positive here. If you put the same x here, you get a positive, so no problem. You can accept that. Now here, last question. Here's the log of this. So this is very important question. So one thing you need to do, you have to get rid of this square, this third root, right? There is a way to do that. As you know, one of the properties that we have for the log, we can bring the power in front. If I just write it as a power, is a log of x power 2 plus 48x. So the root 3 is power, can write as power 1 over 3. I can bring the power in front of the log, so it's 1 over 3 log x power 2 plus 48x equal to 2 over 3. Multiply both sides by 3 because you want to remove that one, right? Multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of this 3 here. So you have 2 there. It's going to be a log x power 2 plus 40x equal to 2. Base here is 10. So it's x power 2 plus 48x equal to 10 to the power of 2. It's 100, right? So it's x power 2 plus 48x minus 100. So I write in a factor form. I need to find two numbers that if you add is 4 and if you multiply is 100. So it's going to be 50. This is 48. So it's going to be x plus 50 x minus 2. If I add 50 and negative 2, I get 48. If I multiply these two, I get negative 100. So this is how you do the factor. So now two brackets multiply each other is equal to 0. The first bracket is equal to 0. So, or the second bracket is equal to 0, right? So the 0 from the first bracket is negative 50. And here is equal to 2. So you can try to put negative 50 to the power of 2 here, plus 48 multiplied by negative 50. You get a negative number here. Since in front of the log, you cannot have a negative number. This is going to be extraneous root. Then you can try to put 2 power 2 plus 48 multiplied by 2 is give you a positive number in front of log. So this one is acceptable. Any question?
No.
Okay, so here is techniques for solving logarithmic equation worksheet. So question 1, part F, question 2, part F, question 3 part F, 4B, 5B, and question number 7. Got it?